In this video, I'm going to show you my free step-by-step done-for-you affiliate marketing system, and you're going to be the first to access it, and we're starting right now. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. I'm just going to hop right into my computer on this one because I'm super excited. I'm finally done with my training. It took me months to finish. But if you're interested in online business, affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels, stuff like that, hit that subscribe button. But don't forget to hit that notification bell too so you get notified every time I upload. Now, what I'm going to show you is something no one else has seen, the completed version yet. If you're in my Facebook group, then you've seen a little bit of the process, right? But this is brand new, completely done, and I'm giving you each step by step, what to actually do to start a legitimate affiliate marketing business. Okay, so on the first page, it's just an opt-in page, first link in the description. So you go right here, you type in your name and email, and you're gonna get sent to the training page. Okay, so what happens when you get to the training page? There's 10 videos, 8 steps, and then there's an intro and a congratulations video. So that's why there's 10. So on the first one, I'm just talking about the system and how it works and stuff like that, and kind of letting you know what affiliate marketing is, right? So simple step. And then right here below it, I have steps 1, 2, and then 3, right? So it's simple. You just watch the video above with the finger pointing, right? I made it as simple as possible. That's why it's called the simple affiliate training. Okay, so number 2, you click the blue button below for free additional support. That's right here. That's just join the Facebook group. And then right here, press the arrow to continue to step number 1. So it's super simple. You can obviously scroll down too if you want, but I just thought that would be kind of cool. So again, I tell you step 1, ClickFunnels, website account. I give you a little info about it, the estimated time, and then you just watch the video and you follow along step by step. I show you what to do. In the video, I'll be like, click the blue button, etc. Okay, so literally that's all it is. Each step is just one simple thing. That's why it's called the simple affiliate training. And I'm not making it like a 4-step program where you do a bunch of stuff. That's why there's more steps. I could have easily made it less steps and made it more complicated, I feel, but this is more simple. It's just step by step, one thing each step. And I go through the training with a brand new account, sign up for everything as if I'm brand new, and do everything with you step by step. So it's way different in that regard. So I think it's like the best done for you system that's ever been created. I'm a little biased, okay, but check it out. You'll love it. Okay, so anyways, you click here and then we're at step 2, and this is just copy and pasting this entire system into your ClickFunnels account. Okay, and all you do is you click this, well, you watch the video, right? Then you click this, next step. This is something that differs from a lot of people. Most people will be telling people to get their domain name on Namecheap or GoDaddy, and I do have a spot to get your domain on Namecheap. However, I say only use this if you already used your free ClickFunnels domain. A lot of people just want to get that extra little affiliate income, right? But that's kind of ridiculous, right? Because you get a free one when you first sign up for ClickFunnels. Okay, so anyways, you do that. I tell you how to do everything, and then you just click next one. And then I show you, this is the main thing that differs from a lot of the systems. I have everything set up on the share funnel that you get, where anything you have to change in the emails and the disclaimers, I have it set up so you know exactly where to change it. Super simple. I put so much work into perfecting it. It's not perfect. I won't say it's perfect, but I made it very, very simple. Okay, so anyways, you watch this. I show you how to use the ClickFunnels editor, edit your disclaimers, make your website compliant and all that stuff. So it's super simple. And then if you need additional support, because I understand you may not have time if you're working full time and stuff like that, you can click this button and it just brings you to an order page and you can order the done for you service. It's not very expensive, but if you want us to do it completely for you, like everything, click that button and we'll help you out. So anyways, you go to this step, then you get a domain email. Okay, that's where it's like your name at your domain. You know what I mean? So like Thomas at thomasgarretts.com, right? So you need that if you're going to be sending emails, right? Because otherwise, if you're sending with a Gmail email, you're going to end in spam. Then your emails aren't getting read by anyone and it's pointless, right? So anyways, that's how you do it. I show you how to do it with G Suite, and then you use this code and you get 20% off. Super simple. Click this button, get G Suite, and you just follow step by step, right? And then we go to step 6. This is where you get your email autoresponder. And this is another thing that I really like about my training. I use Convertkit, right? And not only do I think Convertkit is the simplest autoresponder out of them all, they have very good deliverability rate, and they have an option like ClickFunnels where you can click a button and the entire funnel gets uploaded into your account with ClickFunnels, you can click a button and the entire email automation will get uploaded into your Convertkit account. So it's super awesome. And then in those emails, I literally have it in red, and then everything where you got to put your own name or your own website, just XXXX, and then in red, add blank here, like add your name here, add your affiliate link for this here, add your whatever, you get the idea, right? So I made it super simple. You won't really have any questions, but if you do, just let me know. I can help you out with everything. So it's just step by step, literally. Step 1, watch the video. Step 2, click this first. Step 3, click this second. So simple. However, I do tell you to use Convertkit, but I understand some people might not be beginners if they're doing this. So I took all those emails and I put them into a document, and you can download the PDF right there if you want to do that. So anyways, that's how you would do that. And then right here, step 7, get traffic to your website. I teach to use Traffic for Me and Udemy. And what those are solo ads, and you're basically just buying an email ad. And that's the quickest way to build your list, which is very, very important in business, and also get some sales along the way. It's very powerful stuff. So that's my #1 suggested traffic method. However, if you join my group and I'm making a course as well, there will be additional traffic methods, especially if you need free traffic. Then I teach organic Facebook and stuff like that, which is very powerful as well. It's just a little more long term, right? So that's the idea there. And then you sign up for 2 free accounts. You could use either of them, both of them. I like them both. So anyways, you can download the solo ad email template right there. And that's just the email you can send to the solo ad providers if you want. I would just suggest, if you're just starting out, you can test that if you want, but I would probably just have, at least on Traffic for Me, I would just have them send the email themselves because they know their list better, right? So anyways, it's up to you. You have that option as well. And then step 8, that's the final step. All you do is you swap out all the affiliate links, and I forget which step it was. I think it was like step 3. I have you open a document, and then after each step that has an affiliate program, we put the link in there. So on this step, I tell you to pull out your document that you should have open, and you grab each affiliate link, put it in the right spot. Super simple. It's literally takes no time at all, probably less than 10 minutes to be honest with you. So, and then you go to the last step, and this is just congrats, you're ready, this is the last video, and then I just give you a little bit of advice and tell you to join my Facebook group again if you haven't, and that's everything. It's super simple, step by step, and I just wanted to put this on my YouTube so you can see it firsthand. I'm super excited about it, and I hope you are too. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and if you want to get this training, it's the first link in the description. All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was super exciting for me to finally finish this training. And if you want to see more videos about affiliate marketing, I have a playlist that will be popping up right here. And if you just want to subscribe to my channel, you can hit my face right here and that'll subscribe you. Thank you again for watching. Till next time.